In this overview video, I will be explaining what the parallax effect is, what depth of field is, how we're going to use a single image to create depth of field and parallax, and a general game plan. I really believe having a game plan for a project like this is essential. A parallax effect is when you have a series of images completely independent from one another and they are all moving at different speeds. I think one of the best ways to explain this is using the old classic game Guess Who. As you can see, the character from the first row is separate from the 4 characters on the second row, which is independent from the third row, and the third row is independent from the fourth row. Now, if you look at this image, the first person would be the water, the second row of people would be the island, and if you look back here, the third and fourth would be the buildings and the sky. This is what's known as parallax. This image can be further heightened by simulating depth of field. This first image over here, the building at the back, will be extremely focused while the rest of it will be very, very blurred. As the camera pans round, more of the image will start becoming more and more clearer as the image at the back becomes blurred, revealing the rest of the image. This will give the whole animation a sense of depth. To actually create the depth, we're going to have to use masks. Masking is when we take parts of this image out and simply cut it apart. We will be duplicating the image many times and creating separate masks for each building, for the island, for the water, and potentially the sky. So what is the game plan? The game plan is to split up the images using masks, separate the images, add a camera, and then add effects. And this simple game plan can be used to other images as well, which I'll be showing you at the end of the course. This technique was first introduced to the wider audience in 2002. The film was called The Kid That Stays in the Picture. I really recommend you pause this video right now, go straight onto YouTube, type this in and watch some of the scenes. The majority of the film was made just with single images using this technique. This gave the impression that the pictures were more than just a static photo. I really think it's a good example, so go watch the trailer now and let's get ready to learn how to do these techniques.